Hi, and welcome to My Heaven Zero Retired and Inspired Christmas Decor. Today I'm going to share with you some of my Christmas ideas, some of the inspiration that I've had, and I'm hoping that I might be able to get you inspired as well. I am obsessed with the little truck for Christmas. And I looked everywhere for trucks, and either they're sold out or they weren't the price that I wanted to pay. Well, I found this one on QVC. It's a Valerie Parr-Hill, and it's just exactly the size I wanted. I believe I paid $39.99 for it on 6 easy payments, something similar to that. Exactly the way I like to shop. Anyhow, I absolutely love this. It is so darn cute, and it goes with what I'm doing around the house here. And it comes with these 3 trees. They're very similar to trees that you find in the little villages. So there we go. It's so darn cute. So what I did with this, because I wanted it to look like it was going down an old road, and an old dirt road, here's what I did. Very simply, I bought a ½ yard of 72-inch black felt, so it's 72 inches wide. And then I had this burlap ribbon, and all I did was run a piece all the way down. This is not attached. It's just run down evenly, so it looks like 2 divots in the road, on your old country road. And then the truck goes in the middle like so. And with that, I put in a little candle that I had sitting around. I shouldn't say little, it's a big candle so that you can see it with the trees. I threw in the rest of the burlap ribbon. I just thought it'd be something cute. It's perfect, like something in the back of the truck. And then at the Dollar Tree, and I'm glad I got this one, I did. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree early on, and thought this was perfect. And I'm hanging this right off the back of the truck, so you can see it like that. It is so darn cute. And to look at the whole thing, it's a little old truck driving down the country lane. Oh my gosh, it just turned out wonderful. And this is just another quick and easy idea. I can always use that felt for another project. The same thing with the burlap ribbon, because it's not attached in any way. It comes right up. It's just laying on there. It's just laying on there, and it sticks together nicely. So here's one of my ideas. Here's another way that I've utilized the truck theme. I picked up this sign, or this Mary with the back of the truck. I found that at Hobby Lobby. It was $24.99, 50% off, so I paid $12.50 for it basically. In earlier one of my videos, because I purchased this, I wanted to do something that represented a tree sale, so I painted this cabinet drawer front and just turned it into a fresh cut trees for sale sign. Just very simple. It's nothing elaborate, just very simple, based on the letters and what I had at home to paint with. And then down below I found one of my old bows, whatever, and hung that below with some some old bells, and it is super cute. And this is in my back hall. And finally, here's my third design based on the truck theme. About a little over a month, maybe a month and a half ago, I recycled an old toy truck, and it was all full of additional things all over. I took it apart, repainted it, and turned it into this little white truck right here, which is so cute. And then initially when I set it up with pumpkins in the back. It was really cute. And now, of course, all the rage is the black and white checked trees or fabric. So I just got some cones. I bought 1 yard of fabric, and I wrapped the shirting material around the cones. There is another way to utilize the truck theme. So that's my 3 ways. Another idea. Well, that's it. And I'm so happy that you joined me. It was a lot of fun to share with you the different projects that I've done. Remember, everything that I do just comes from a simple thought and inspiration. That's the way I work. I think of something and then I just expound on it. And a lot of times I just find things laying around the house. And you can do the same. So again, thanks for joining. If you'd like to see more videos as I put them out, I'm going to have different things on crafting, decor, wigs. I'll definitely let you know at the beginning of the videos what kind of video it's going to be. So again, thank you for joining me. Please subscribe to follow me. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.